Today's video is gonna be a what's inside video, but it's a little bit different. And it has a little bit of a different tone. Lincoln is not here. Lately, we've had a lot of tragic shootings. The latest one was in Parkland, Florida, and it was really, really sad to see what's going on in the schools. Just so you know, first off, any monetization from this video is going to go to the families of people that have suffered from any school shooting. We're gonna find some charitable organizations. We will link it in the description down below. I'm trying to think of how I can help in this and what things we can learn. I went on to Amazon and I looked at different bulletproof backpacks. So unfortunately, all of the backpacks that I found that were not cheap are for 44 Magnum or 9mm guns, which if you look at the last 3 school shootings, they used an AR-15, which is a big rifle with a lot bigger bullets. Those backpacks would not have helped you from any of those school shootings because of the weapons that were being used. I wanted to provide some sort of solution that if you are looking for protection that you can have with you while you're at school, this was one of the best options that I could find. This backpack is not bulletproof, but inside you have an Armor Max plate. This square plate is 3.3 pounds per square foot. It's really, really light. You can see how thick it is. It looks like it's about 1 inch thick. This will protect you from a shot from an AR-15. And in order to prove that, we are going to test it out today and show how it works. And you put this inside of your backpack. This isn't the biggest backpack ever, but you still have plenty of room for books, for pencils. And this is the same type of material that they put in bulletproof cars for presidents of countries, for billionaires. So let's go test this out and see if it actually can stop a bullet from an AR-15. And if it does, then I'm gonna put a link in the description. If you guys wanna go buy it, go buy it. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I don't make any money off of you buying this plate, but I definitely felt like we have the platform. If I may be able to help in some small way to help protect somebody's child from some sort of shooting, then this video is definitely worth doing it. So let's go test this out and see if it works. All right, so we have the backpack. I brought it out here, taped it up to this. We have an AR-15. We've got a few books. We're gonna put these in the back where usually a laptop would go. It's nice to have something in between the actual Armor Max panel and your body. I'm just gonna take this and slide it into the backpack, zip it up. We are going to shoot it with an AR-15 now. That is so much quieter. Wow. I realized I was probably yelling. Okay, so the next step is going to be we're gonna shoot it with an AR-15, 1 bullet, and hit it right here, hopefully in the middle. Whatever happens, happens, and we're gonna show you to show if this is something that actually protects it or not. All right, so this is our buddy Zach from Jerry Rig Everything. He brought his AR-15, and this is a gun that you can legally purchase in the United States, right?
Yeah, so there are background checks and stuff, but like you can walk into a sporting goods store, buy your AR-15, get the background check within about 30 minutes or an hour.
Zach, let's just take one shot. We have the backpack over there. You can see it all set up. We're gonna try to hit in that space below the zipper. Can you hit that?
We'll find out. Okay, are we good?
I'm ready. You ready, Hunter? Oh my gosh. That was a good shot by Zach, a terrible hold of the camera by me. That was like the worst close-up shot I've ever taken in my life. That is terrifying how loud that is. That is a heck of a shot right there. Look at that, right in the center. Zach,
Got it.
skilled, nice job. Everybody's nervous. We've got a bunch of people looking over that are wondering, did it go through? Okay, there's the hole right there. On the back side, you just have a little bump, that's it. There's the hole in the front of the backpack. There's the hole on the inside of the backpack where it actually came in. There's the next layer of fabric with the hole. You can see the hole right there, and then nothing on this side of it. And then there's the books. And if you're wondering what is inside of this thing, it has 156 layers of synthetic fiber laminate with a coating on the outside, but it makes it extra light, much lighter than a steel plate. That's why this is a preferred choice of bulletproofing for cars versus this heavy stuff right here. Do you need to go buy a bulletproof backpack? It's really not that heavy. I know it's like having an extra book in your bag and your kids might complain, but for that added safety to have that backpack, it may be worth having. We can't stop bad things from happening in this world, but we can definitely do the best to protect the ones that we love. And so that's why I made this video for you guys, so you could learn a little bit more and maybe have something as a resource in case you feel like you need it. Thanks for watching.